Welcome back to the channel. Davao City Mayor Sebastian Baste Duterte recently made headlines after openly criticizing President Bongbong Marcos Jr. over the arrest of his father, former President Rodrigo Duterte. During the 88th Araw ng Davao celebration on March 16, Baste expressed deep frustration, recalling how his father honored Marcos Sr. by allowing his burial at libingan ng mga bayani in 2016, despite strong opposition from many Filipinos. With anger in his voice, Baste declared, "Yung tatay mo, Marcos Sr. pinalibing ng tatay ko, Duterte, pero yung tatay ko pinakulong mo. Pat ang ina ka." The younger Duterte strongly believes that PBBM played a role in the International Criminal Court's (ICC) issuance of an arrest warrant against his father for alleged crimes against humanity related to the controversial drug war. Mr. President Marcos, you will never be loved, especially by us who are calling out Rody Duterte's name. You will never be loved, Mr. Marcos. However, President Marcos Jr. has denied these accusations, stating that his administration had no involvement in Duterte's arrest. According to him, the government was merely complying with international obligations. "We did not do this because it came from the ICC, we did this because Interpol asked us to do it. We have commitments to them, and we live up to those commitments." Furthermore, he clarified that his administration did not assist in the ICC's investigation of Duterte's case, emphasizing, "Hindi tayo tumutulong sa investigasyon ng ICC, pero not on an official level. We didn't help them in any way. The arrest that we did today was in compliance with our commitments to Interpol." The arrest of former President Duterte remains a hot topic in Philippine politics, deepening the divide between the Marcos and Duterte camps. As tensions rise, Filipinos are left wondering, what will happen next in this high-profile political clash? What do you think about this growing rift between the Duterte and Marcos camps? Do you believe PBBM had a role in Duterte's arrest, or is this just political maneuvering? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.